Hi Paper Crafter, this is Karen McNall and I'm with inspiredbygram.com. I'm so excited to bring you my monthly card club offering. For July of 2021, I am featuring the Pansy Petals Designer Series paper along with Meadow Dies. 2 cards are designed with pansies, as you can see in front of you, and the other 2 cards are with Meadow Dies. You will be making 2 cards of each design for a total of 8 cards. So what is included with my card club? July card club will include a 6x12 full pack of the Pansy Petals Designer Series paper. You will also receive 1 1/2 inch metallic mesh ribbon, and you will receive 5 yards of this gorgeous ribbon. You will also receive 180 pieces of the silver and clear epoxy essentials, and they come designed as like circles, diamonds, and teardrops. So those are super, super fun. And one other thing I'm going to be throwing in there this month is 1 sheet of the Stampin Dimensionals, and the other is mini dimensionals. We'll be using these in your projects, so I did decide to include these as well. You will also receive complete written instructions that will be emailed to your inbox as a PDF and also printed out in color and shipped with your kits. A pre-recorded video with step-by-step instructions for each card kit will be emailed to you as well. If I need to make a product substitution, and it's very rare, like say this ribbon is on back order or the essentials here, the silver and clear, are not in stock, well then I will substitute with something different. Stampin' Up! Has great products, and very rarely does that happen. I think it's only happened once in like 2 years. So I really try to do a great job of trying to decide what's not going to go on back order and actually what does. So I've been pretty good about that. So what is Card Club? Card Club is a monthly recurring subscription that gives you a package sent to your door each month with 8 fabulous cards. And you will receive supplies with some fun bonuses inside. You will receive at least $20 worth of Stampin' Up! Product that we use with your projects, and also you'll have plenty of products left over to use on future projects that you choose to design. Stamp set, die sets, adhesive, glue dots, ink they're not included unless stated. Card Club it's easy enough so you can substitute ink colors and stamp sets from your own craft room. But if you would like to make identical cards like mine, you will need to have the Pansy Patch Bundle, which is the stamp set and the dies. And you will also need the ink colors, and the ink colors of choice for July are Blackberry Bliss, Calypso Coral, Evening Evergreen, and Fresh Freesia. All of those products can be ordered on my online store at inspiredbygram.com, or you can simply email me that you wish to order them. It's highly suggested that you have multi-purpose liquid glue for July. Again, you can order all those products additionally on my website, inspiredbygram.com. Due to Stampin' Up! Policy, I am unable to post the ordering link and registration link for my card club. But if you do email me requesting the link, I can easily provide that for you. My email address is inspiredbygram@gmail.com. So let me do the work for you. Card Club is a great way to create cards without having to do all the designing and die cutting and punching. I hope you give Card Club a try. If you have any questions, please reach out by messaging me via email or posting a comment here. So I'm just going to quickly go over the 4 cards that I designed. Here's the one of them that's designed with the Meadow Dies. I've used Fresh Freesia as the card base, and Calypso Coral and Bumblebee with a hint of Pale Papaya. All of these die cuts, including the Meadow Dies, are going to be shipped to you. And here is the second design here. again using meadow dies, and here's that really fun ribbon there, the metallic mesh. Again, the meadow dies there, Calypso Coral, polished pink, fresh freesia, and we've got some basic white. The designer series paper you will be cutting. However, I give you the sizes that you'll need to cut the designer series paper. This is a soft succulent card base with evening evergreen cardstock. See how I layered it here with the Hippo and Friends dies. And this little die is from the meadow dies. Here's the pansy that I die cut out by using the dies, but you could simply fussy cut that out too. It's not too difficult. And if you can see right here, here's a nice little soft succulent leaf that I've die cut for you ahead of time. And that's the inside. And the final card is my like wow card. See how this metallic mesh looks really nice? And here's another, the pansy with evening evergreen leaves. There's 3 of them there. And I did use the scallop contours dies on this one in this design here, but look at the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, who wouldn't love to receive a card like this? So again, if you have any questions, please reach out to me at inspiredbygram.com. I hope you give my monthly card club a try and join the other 22 participants that have joined a card club to date. All right, you take care and be well.